Hello again. Now we are going to sketch this drawing. There's a very important point we should learn from this drawing. Whenever you have to sketch any sketch, I want you always to look for the symmetry. Like, if we have a look at this sketch here, we can say that this part is symmetric about this center line here. And this whole part is symmetric about a center line here. And this arc is symmetric about a center line here. Based on that, you should choose where to start. So in this case, we will consider this point as our origin point, and that's why we need to start somewhere here. To start, we have this circle of radius 15 and we have the circle of radius 10. So sketch a circle, give it a diameter of 20, then sketch another circle and give it a diameter of 30. Now, this distance is 40 and this distance is 25. So the distance from the origin to this point is 25, and from here to here is 40. Now, since we have this, we can mirror it to have this one. So draw a center line and make these points horizontal. Now, mirror entities, we want to mirror these two circles about this center line. This arc is of radius 30. Draw any random arc, something like this, and define the relations: tangent, tangent. For me, I will drag these, then trim them at once. And the radius here is 30. So 30 units. Now draw another center line from this point to this point. Exit the command and mirror this arc about this center line. As you can see, we have some trims to do here. So, trim entities, zoom in, select this part, and this part, and this part. Now, draw another center line here, and select these points to be vertical. Mirror the whole thing about this line, and now draw an arc here, make it tangent to this one, and make it tangent to this one. Drag it, and the radius is 30, so we can use this. And trim it at once. Finally, we can mirror this arc about this center line, then OK. As you can see, it's very important to study any drawing before you start, so you can decide which is the best method you can use, so you can save time.